Hey, Papa. Hope you're doing good. And I was gonna go ahead and go bike riding for you in your honor today, but you see this guy here? You see this guy there? See that? Look at that. No bike riding today. Whew. That looks ugly. It's the Nothing from Neverending Story. Alright, Phoenix, as you can see, I got my arm in your honor. Now I'm gonna try to do a slow yellow trail trail. I'm gonna take it slow. Love you, miss you. Check it out. Bye. We got to move these refrigerators. Move these color TVs.
That's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a pistol on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. Move on, move on. I should've learned to play them drums. Look at that mama, she got it sticking in the cameraman. And we could have some. And he's up there. What's that? Hawaiian noises.
Yeah, work that focus station.
Oh, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Get your money from
Hawaiian noises. Ain't no.
We got to install microwave oven. Kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Look at that, look at that. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Money for nothing.
Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? And can he do to you the things that I do? I can take you high.
Let's do this. Turkey.
Like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, got a 6-inch belly through the middle of my side. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you, through my desire. Oh, I'm on fire.
Oh my God. You know, this would be really, really hard if like I was practically on bed rest for 3 weeks. Whew. Hey Papa, I hope you liked it. It was a little bit, ribs doing good. Still hurts a little bit, just like your hand. We got to take some time. In about 6 weeks, me and you are going to be 100%. Hope you liked the video. I'll wear this until you get your cast off, okay? All right, love you, boy.
Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Once I never could have hoped to win. You're starting down the road, leaving me again. The threats you made were meant to cut me down. And if my love was just a circus, you'd be a clown.